Yeah, they're gonna eat you.
No, that's right. Can I put
Look, there's the body parts. You can see someone's hand.
Oh my gosh.
We throw them in the bin, but they forgot about it.
Why am I shaking?
Oh, wait, he's moving! Oh, that's me being a horrible influence.
Bella.
Cool. Can you people
What's
see
that?
me?
What's that over there? What's that over there?
Aye. Oh, let's go.
No, Bella, look over that. Bella, look over that. Bella, look over that.
It's not
Give me
funny.
that, buddy.
No, put the window open. Put the window open now.
Oh my god, this goes fast.
Where? Stop it.
Is he over the way? It's actually him. Why? Oh my god, drama school.
Do they?
Yeah, actually, can't see it.
No. Just got that dip.
Pointing.
You.
Dad, I really don't want to do this right now.
Oh, welcome.
Right, Bella, get out the car.
No, we're actually nearly there.
You yourself could use a wash.
I keep shaking, and I'm not even cold. I'm boiling.
Okay, yes, go away. Oh my god, it's gorgeous! I'll open your window, please. I'll please open your window. I'm right. I'll open your window. I'll open your window.
Oh my god, yeah, she's so pretty. What's your number?
And it's so open. You mean? Oh, he's coming to this side! Where's Garfield?
You're cute.
This is my worst fear.
Miss you, Pumpkin Meyer. Your breath smells.
It's gonna jump at me. Please. Get in.
What's your name? Oh my god! Hello.
I'll hold hands with you. I'll hold hands.
Oh my god, please do.
Can I have a finger? I need another one.
Go. Yeah, you get my ring finger.
I want to get the pinky fingers.
Oh, there's oh, no, there's oh, wait, who's there? I can't see anyone. Oh, wait.
Oh my
We're surrounded!
I can't lock the door. The door's still locked. I can't lock him.
Wait, who's that?
Hey girl. Hey girl.
Oh no!
Hi.
Scream! Scream! Nice! Scream!
Imposter. Bye bye.
Love you!
Dad.
Oh my god, I've just nearly had
Dad, go. Dad. Dad. Oh, look at the door. Dad.
I've locked it. I've locked it.
It's fine to cry. My name. Hey, Pinky Bear.
Her name is mine. I'm being hit on and I'm supposed to be killing people. This is not a dynamic twist. This is creepy.
Could be.
What's your name? What a lovely name. I'll make sure to carve it into your teeth.
Oh my god, she keeps getting closer every time I look away.
What's your name?
Ella. Yeah. Anna.
I'll carve into your skin. What about yours? Bella. Lexi. Is your dad one straight-minded motherfucker? Isabella, Isla, and Ella. They're the same goddamn name.
Actually, we're not related. That's his kids.
Are you?
I just found him.
Yeah, that does.
Who named these kids? They're all the same name, just pronounced differently. Who was lazy enough for that?
You think they do?
Yeah, you said.
I know.
Do you have a blonde brain by any chance? Because
Can
you
you see
said
my
that.
hair? Can you see my hair?
It could be dyed.
It's kind of
Could be dyed. This hair is dyed.
I made it myself.
You don't look natural.
I made it myself.
You look like you've been through many procedures.
I had to spew. I was so angry.
Can I take her eye? Like a little pirate.
Yeah, I was shopping for crying.
Take care of the little girl. She'll be a good acolyte later.
What did you use for your teeth? Really straight. I know.
Braces.
Yes, sir. What do you use for your whitening teeth? Whitening your teeth.
They're just naturally white. I just put some paint and fake blood on this.
Oh, okay.
Thank you.
It's not your thing.
Please take these children to therapy. That one looks old enough to actually be a therapist.
Miss, you're ready.
Miss, you're ready.
What's your number?
The Isla Brothers.
What's your number? Well, I just have talent.
Samuel.Smith09.
Dad.
Yeah.
Dad. Hey, girl. Hey, what's your name?
I'm gonna add him.
What is it? This present goes clean. Oh, hello. Oh, that's very helpful. Thanks.
Dad, don't unlock the doors. I swear, if you do, I'm actually gonna kill you.
Can you actually unlock the doors? Please unlock them, please.
No, Dad.
Dad, unlock them.
Dad, can you just drive off?
Can you please unlock it? Add to the experience. Can we hold hands? I want to be your vacuum cleaner.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
Oh, they're all getting in.
I'm in!
I could use a wash.
I had a
Bad poops. Oh, doesn't they know how to shut you? Oh, this is actually kind of nice. Kind of peaceful.
Can we go now?
Yeah.
Oh my god, Bella, you make me sweat.
No, just can we just...
Bella, you're annoying me.
No,
Bella.
no, just run him over.
I'm gonna fart from my elbow right now. This is such a lovely car wash. I know, I really appreciate it. I really recommend it.
Dad,
I know, I'd recommend it.
Dad, after the photo, can you just go?
Can't ruin this for us. Jump on the window down.
No, you're not allowed.
I read.
Dad, are the doors locked?
Yeah.
I'm desperate.
This is actually quite helpful.
I'm desperate for a poo right now.
Dad, can you go after?
Yeah.
No,
Shut up.
I think it's the end. I think this is the end.
You're ruining it. Bella.
Yeah, but it's not funny.
Look, Bella, right, the actors. Oh, it's got soap in. Bella, do you want proof that they're actors? I literally added one on.
Dad, go now. Can you go? Dad!
Dad, oh my god.
Dad, can you just drive off?
Can you please unlock it? Add to the experience. Can we hold hands? I want to be your vacuum cleaner.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
Oh, they're all getting in.
I'm in!
I could use a wash.